In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Yahoo Mail step by step so you can create your new email account quickly and without any confusion. Whether you need a personal email for everyday use, school, work, or just a fresh inbox, Yahoo Mail makes it simple to get started. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and web tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Yahoo Mail sign up page. You can use the official Yahoo account creation page to begin the registration process. Once the page loads, look for the Create an Account button and click it. This will take you to the sign up form where you can enter all of your personal details. Now you'll need to fill in the required information. Start by typing in your first and last name, then choose the email address you want to use along with a secure password. Make sure your password is strong and something you can remember because this will help keep your account safe. You'll also be asked to enter your mobile phone number. This is an important step because Yahoo uses your phone number for verification and account recovery. After you have entered all of your details, click Continue. Yahoo will then send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Check your phone for the text message, then type the verification code into the confirmation box on the screen. Once the code is entered, click Verify to confirm your number and complete the account verification step. If everything is correct, Yahoo Mail will finish creating your account and log you in. From there, you can start setting up your inbox, customizing your profile, and using your new Yahoo Mail address right away. You can send emails, receive messages, organize folders, and begin using the account for whatever you need. If you run into any issues during the process, double check that your phone number is entered correctly and that you type the verification code exactly as it appears. Also, make sure your password meets the account requirements. Taking a moment to review everything carefully can save you time and help avoid sign-up errors. And that's it. You've now learned how to sign up for Yahoo Mail in just a few simple steps. I hope this tutorial made the process easy to follow. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.